What's up, guys? Welcome to part 3 of rebuilding the G35. As you guys just saw in the beginning of the video, went ahead and primered the roof and the quarter panel and the door. So we still are gonna have to end up putting a guide coat down and then wet sanding all of that as well. But we're gonna stop on that for now because I think that's pretty big progress. We'll come back to it in this video, but for now, let's go ahead and begin getting the front end removed.
Shades of pearl and green. Fire burning hearts in darkest places. There's never been a better time to feel alive. I found a way, we're past the lines where truth won't lie. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Whoa. Follow me into the underground. Into the
Like that, the new front end is on. Both fenders, bumper. Sweet. Oh, dude. Transformation for sure. I actually really like it. I don't know, it's weird. It looks like my car again. So pretty much what's left is finish up some of the bodywork and then get the side skirts put on and then put the rear on, and she is done. walk around of the car. Worked on the rear a little bit yesterday off camera. This is starting to really come out pretty nicely. It's not gonna be perfect. We have a tiny little bulge. Where's it at? Like right here. And then a little dent here, which we'll fix that. This we can try to mess with, but that's really starting to take shape. We have guide code down. It's got to do that. But to the other stuff that you guys recently saw, got this done, all of that. Let's take a look at this new front end. And he's talking about getting new headlights like mine, so that's gonna really make a difference. But there she is, boys. Look at that. Literally exactly how mine used to be. Check them out, guys. I'm happy. Like, this is cool. I don't know. This car has come such a long way, I feel like. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the garage cleaned out because there's just dirt everywhere from when I pulled the side skirts and sanding, all of it. So this garage is just wrecked of dirt. And then I'm gonna hose it out, and then we'll end up getting the car pulled back in, and then I think, actually, you know what, guys? I think we're just gonna go ahead and end this video right here because I was gonna do the wet sanding on video, but that's not really that exciting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close it out here. But let me know what you guys think. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of this car, guys. This car is seriously transforming, and I'm telling you, once those side skirts and my old rear lip is on, this thing is gonna look completely different. It's gonna be sick. I'm so hyped, dude. Hope you enjoy it, bro. Hope you like the process and the outcome. I can't wait. And continue to follow him, guys. Again, I'm gonna put the owner of the vehicle's Instagram right here on the screen. Make sure to follow him because once I'm done with it, there's a chance I may be wrapping it, or overall though, the car is gonna end up getting a new color. So super stoked, proud to be part of this build. And subscribe if you guys aren't already. Stay tuned for part 4, where I think we're probably gonna start working on the side skirt and possibly the rear lip kit. Start getting everything mocked up. And then also stay tuned because we still have a lot going on with mine. I'm just waiting on parts to come in, but we have a lot going down with that, guys. Do not miss it. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out. All right, guys, before I officially close this video out, I just wanted to take a quick second to thank all of my subscribers and all of my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out and the new series of the G35 rebuild. It's really starting to come together. I'm super stoked. I can't wait to see the outcome. But I also just want to take a second. Guys, if you guys are watching my videos, please take the time to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It costs nothing at all. And it really does help me out because one day, this is truly my dream. I'm really trying to start a career for me. I love filming. I love working on cars, and I would love to grow the channel and get it to the point where we can buy some higher end cars, you know, Skylines, and have more cars and projects, eventually get into a shop. I cannot do that without your guys' help. So please take the time, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, share my videos if you guys would like to. It really does help me out a lot. And one day, hopefully, you know, we'll get into a shop and we'll move on to bigger and better things. Also, guys, a quick update on my G35. Some of you guys are questioning if I still have it, even though I have been showing it still in the background of my videos. But yes, we still have it. I'm actually waiting on some stuff to come in. I do have a pile of some stuff right there. Some good stuff going down, air suspension work, new trunk setup, you know, wheels, wide body, all of that stuff. I'm having some issues though with the manufacturers of some companies, and just kind of have to try to figure a plan B out for certain other, you know, products or parts that I'm waiting on. So I just have to try to play around with some stuff, talking back and forth to other companies. But stay tuned, guys, because once this car is done and it's out of the garage, we're gonna get my car back in. where some really exciting, fun things are going to start happening. I am super stoked, cannot wait. Hope you guys are just as excited as I am. And again, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and sit tight for the journey, guys, because it's gonna be fun. And I have some other really big moves planned that I can't wait to talk to you guys about. So I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. Peace out.